installing a processor and heatsink.
Align the processor on the new carrier so that the triangular marks align, and then insert the marked end of the processor into the carrier. Hold the inserted end of the processor in place and then push the unmarked end of the carrier down and away from the processor. Press the processor and secure the sides under the clips on the carrier. If you are reusing a heatsink, use a syringe to apply 4 uniformly spaced dots of thermal grease on top of the processor. Each dot should contain about 0.1 milliliters of thermal grease.
Press the carrier into place until the clips at all 4 corners engage. Visually inspect to make sure that there is no gap between the processor carrier and the heatsink. To install the processor heatsink module into the processor socket, align the triangular mark and 4 Torx T30 nuts on the PHM with the triangular mark and threaded posts on the processor socket, and then insert the PHM into the processor socket. Push the anti-tilt wire bales outward until they engage with the hooks in the socket. Fasten the Torx T30 nuts following the installation sequence shown on the heatsink label. If you replaced the rear PHM, reinstall the rear air baffle or the PCIe risers, the crossbar, the rear top cover, and the front top cover.